Game over.
We had a res break. We're back at it, doing a Dremel unboxing video. Drum roll, please. And just so anybody doesn't know, any music you hear from these episodes was created by yours truly and the one and only, the Genie Collectables Optimal Grower, my will. So please enjoy the music and these unboxing videos, as there will be much more to come, I guarantee it. Here we have today one special package, the Easy Lock Dremel, the reinforced cutoff wheels Dremel, and the Easy Lock Mandrel. And why do we have this? Because we will be reviewing the Dremel 100. The Dremel 100 is the entry model to the Dremel line, and there is a large line of Dremel products available. This was the cable, very powerful, and believe it or not, I had one of those big cases in my hand. I said, I'm going to get this one, and I said, you know what, better not, gonna save some dollars on the Dremel product. $100 difference between this one and the when we start going cordless and all that. So here we go with the unboxing. This is a brand new unit, and what we're going to try to do is turn it on a little bit and get some sound effects going on. We're going to be leading up as to why there is a Dremel in my hands in the first place, and we're going to be this is the pre-leak to the pre-leak 4 episode entitled Safety First. So please check out my other videos and give me a thumbs up. If you know Dremel products and you know what they're about, we're going to be showing you something you already know. If you don't know about Dremel, this one's got 7 accessories. The Dremel 100 single speed rotary tool. Outil rotatif à vitesse unique. Of course, we've got some French in there because it's in Canada. And for that, we always go Grow Cannabusiness. Cross-platform. I didn't say it. Okay, so here we're gonna open it up, and let's see. Brian, I'm excited. First and foremost, we want to go through some of these instructions, and here it is. The Dremel brand new, all about saving money where you can. But when you can't save money and you need to buy quality, always go for the big UV spike from Rayon LED. These lights are amazing. I can tell because they're blinding when I look at them. So I have to keep them on the lowest setting. Right now they're consuming 100 watts of power, which is pretty much what this Dremel will do. Let's go with this Dremel Easy Lock, because this was a part of the unboxing video. And these pieces, this was actually expensive, almost as much as the Dremel itself. My first time using a Dremel Easy Lock, and I figured it out in under 60 seconds. In the instructions is that it should fit into this piece right here. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do this upright. Nah, I'll probably just edit that. Dun dun dun. The power is coming on, and of course it had to touch my face just slightly before I plugged it in. It was like, watch out, buddy. Zoom. Who wants plastic surgery? Meow, meow. You need the sound effects for that. Plastic surgery. No, bone cutter. I think you need more muscle. Yeah, we're gonna be doing the body modifications just shortly until we get the titanium skeleton in, and then we'll be jumping over the houses some 300 feet in the air with rocket feet. So here one more time. This is going to be some serious. Now, why am I showing you this? Because Jason. No, but don't ever be violent. It's just for entertainment values. We're in the trend of Hollywood. So here is the Dremel 100. And why will I be showing you this? Please stay tuned to the next episode, the pre-season leak 4. This is the pre-leak to the pre-leak 4. Episode number 4, safety first. We'll be showing you why I have unboxed a Dremel and why I have unboxed a headphone set, which I just recorded that video. Special shout out to Rayon LED. Please enjoy these videos, like, subscribe. I'm sorry if this one got too long. This should have just popped in, but I didn't have the muscle, so I'll be working on those bicep dips and showing you exactly what all these products are for. Thank you for staying tuned, and check out the Dremels, the 3M work tunes, and of course Rayon LED, the beast. If you want superior, technologically advanced LEDs for the most discerning cannabis connoisseur, then Rayon LED. Okay, thank you. Oh, that's funny shit.